Okay, so let's make a comparison between these two cables. This is the original cable made from Apple, and of course this is pretty expensive to buy, also not that durable. This one is the cable I recently bought, one of the three. As you can see, this is the comparison. This connector is definitely not so flimsy. I mean, I'm scared of breaking this one. I am not scared at all of breaking this one. This wire here is so flimsy and so thin that I'm essentially scared every time I use it. This one is covered in nylon. You can see it is nylon braided. Let me focus. This is a nylon braid, so I can literally whip it without any fear of breaking it. The lightning connector, let's see. This is the original one. I mean, I used it for an Apple Pencil one. This is the original one, pretty thin, pretty flimsy, pretty liable to breaking. This one is reinforced here. There's a pretty thick neck. Also the connector itself is thicker. Yeah, a couple millimeters thicker. Yeah. Also the cable here. Charging wise, they are exactly the same, and lengthwise, this one is 6 feet long, this one is 3.5 feet long, so this is 1 meter, this is 1.8 meter, so I can charge my iPad literally from almost from the bed to the power plug. So this one cannot.